Here I have Motorola Moto G Play 2023, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password, pattern or whatever and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device now. What can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you will have to turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, what you'll have to do is to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option recovery mode. When you see this Android robot laying down here and no command message under it, hold down power key, press volume up once. You will appear in this kind of menu. Here, just like in the previous one, use volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option wipe data factory reset. Then select factory data reset, and after you see the message data wipe complete here, that means that all data from your device is wiped, including your photos, videos, numbers, contacts, messages, everything. And lock screen password, of course. Then you select reboot system now and your device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.